Jonah chapter 1. Jonah a runway from God. So na Amitai boy pikini Jonah get a word from the Lord we say,
go on down at the big city Nineveh, no, and tell them me see them a go on with too much wickedness.
But Jonah make up his mind for go Tarshish, where did far from Nineveh, fi try runway from God. Him go down a Joppa and find one ship where go Tarshish. So him pay him fear and go down in the ship for go Tarshish with them, fi try runway far from the Lord. But the Lord just send one strong piece of breeze pan the sea, and it turned out in a one storm so strong he shake up his ship till he nearly mash up. So then the sailor man them catch them freed, and every one of them ball out to them own a God with them serve. And them start dash with the things them from inna the boat fi make it lighter. But all them time that Jonah they down inna the boat in a one deep piece of sleep. But the captain sit Jonah down there and said to him say, "Hold on there. How you mean fi asleep? Man, get up and ball out to the God where you serve. He might pity we and no bother make we dead." Then everybody said to them one another, "Come make we draw a straw and find out who bring down the crosses your pan with." So them draw a straw and Jonah get the short one. Then them said to him say, "We are beg you. Tell we are who bring the crosses you for take we. What kind of work you do? Where you come from? Which country you come from? Which set of people you belong to?" Jonah answered them and say, "Me a Hebrew, and me worship the Lord. Him a the God we rule in a heaven, and he make the sea and the land too." Then the man them catch them freed bad and said to him say, "How you for do something like that?" Cause Jonah did tell them say, him did a try runner from the Lord. So them ask him say, "What would for do to you for make that storm ya stop?" Cause the storm did a get worse. So Jonah said to them say, "Throw me in the sea and it will settle down. Me know I say can me the storm take no." But instead of that, them try hard fi row the boat go land. But that couldn't happen cause the storm did a get worse. So them ball out to the Lord and say, "The Lord, no make we dead cause we take that man your life. No all against we, Lord, cause how you would do what you have to do." So them pick up Jonah and throw him in the sea, and the sea settle down. So the man them catch them afraid and start respect the Lord enough. This caused them to make one sacrifice and make some special promise to the Lord. But the Lord did line up one big fish in the sea to swallow Jonah. And Jonah end up in the fishy belly for 3 days and 3 nights.